what if we're running down that road, and I've done a couple of these loans and a couple of bank statement loans, not with you guys. This was in previously, and they were both different, and they both had different criteria, and we know that to be true with any portfolio type of a product, right? That a portfolio product means that whatever bank is holding that and writing the rules, they're writing their own rules. A Fannie and Freddie, the criteria to get a Fannie or Freddie loan is going to be pretty much the same across the board. There's very specific criteria you have to follow. A portfolio loan product, in which we're talking about with these bank statement loans, they can be very different from bank to bank. So you may have had an experience with a bank statement loan that could be very different than what Jeff's talking about here. And my personal situation we were talking about earlier, I went through a broker and it was a 3-year deal. And, I qualified for a really high amount. And then by the time it was said and done, it was about a fourth of that amount. And so there's a lot of different things. So if you've had an experience with this, it doesn't mean it's going to be the same across the board, right, Jeff? This is a portfolio product to you guys that is a little bit different than what I was going through earlier.
Yeah, and that's a huge difference. So, if you don't talk to me, you talk to someone else about a bank statement loan, the first question you want to ask is, who is actually doing this loan? Are you brokering it out, or is it a true portfolio loan?